Meaning of demobilization.
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 Demobilization. Demobilization refers to the process of disbanding or reducing the size of a military force. It typically occurs after a conflict or war has ended. The result of demobilization is the return of soldiers and military resources to civilian life and use. This can include the release of personnel from active duty, the decommissioning of military facilities and equipment, and the transfer of military technologies and expertise to civilian applications. Demobilization is often a challenging and complex process, requiring careful planning and coordination to ensure a successful transition from wartime to peacetime operations.